Hello, everyone. This is David Shoup from Shoup Legal, and it's time for the Entrepreneur Legal Minute. I am Shoup Legal's business and corporate attorney, and I'm shooting this video all the way from Orlando, Florida. Okay, so earlier this week, I asked everyone to give me their questions of business law, and I got a bunch of really great questions. I'm going to answer one of them right now. This is one of the biggest changes for California employers in California, okay? And it is the independent contractor law. Are your independent contractors actually independent contractors, or are they in fact employees? All right. By the end of this video, you're going to understand the things that you need to know that you must think about and work on to make sure that these independent contractors are in fact independent contractors. Okay, it's known as the ABC test, boys and girls. All right, all three must be met. You, the employer, must prove all three of these things to actually make sure that they are in fact independent contractors. Okay, so let's get started. Number one is the A test, okay, the A prong. Your independent contractor must be free from your direction and control in reality and in contract. Okay, what does that mean? We cannot control what they're doing. We cannot give them, this is when you show up, this is when you leave, this is how you do it, we cannot do that with an independent contractor, okay? Because a true independent contractor is free from our direction and control, okay? So now the California law also says that it has to be in reality and in contract. So this is great. California law has given us a huge help. You need an independent contractor agreement. All independent contractors are going to have these contracts in place, okay? So that is really, really important, very, very helpful for us. Okay, second prong, known as the B prong. They work in a business that is outside of what your business does. That's the B prong, all right? What does this mean? A law firm cannot have attorneys that are independent contractors. An accountant cannot have CPAs that are independent contractors. If they do what you do, they are not independent contractors. They are employees, okay? Think about it. My firm hires an accountant. That's an independent contractor. I bring in plumbers. I bring in IT professionals. They are independent contractors. I cannot have a paralegal. That's an independent contractor. They do what I do. Okay, so that is so, so important. That is one of the biggest changes to this whole scheme. All right, B normally crushes everybody. All right, even if they're working for a short period of time and they're only doing a certain job for a certain period of time, that's called a temporary employee. That's not an independent contractor. Okay, so pay very, very close attention to prong B. All right, prong C. They are engaged in their own business of the kind of work that they are doing for you. All right, a true independent contractor has their own business, okay, and therefore is working on that business with all kinds of clients outside of you, all right? And it's not enough to say that they have the opportunity to do that. Oh, I've given them the chance to to do their own thing. They're just not doing it. No, they actually have to be doing it. They have to be running their own business, okay? So here are the three prongs. It is so, so important for every employer out there that believes that they have independent contractors to make sure that they actually are, in fact, independent contractors, okay? Remember, the employer must prove this, okay? Now, recent case law, in addition to the Dynamics case, has supported the Dynamics decision. So this is not going away, folks. This is not going away. This is the law. And in fact, new case law has stated that this decision is retroactive. So this means that the entire time you've had your independent contractor is when this applies. You cannot say that, well, we only are applying this from 2017 when the Dynamics came out. No, it's going all the way back to the beginning. This is major, major big stuff, okay? So this is what you need to know. ABC test for all the independent contractors, those of us who are using independent contractors out there. If you have any questions, okay, you need to consult with an attorney, either a business or labor law attorney on this, okay? Do not sit and wait for these problems to come get you, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please like it, please share it. Okay, get the word out there, folks. We need to be careful and we need to understand the ABC test. Okay, I'll see you next week.